coax part of the HFC network has been so important to this industry, and frankly so important to CommScope as we celebrate our 40th year here. It's what made CommScope, and frankly what gave this industry its first broadband pipe to the network and made this industry what it is as the largest provider of internet services in the country and the world. The coax part of the plant has got a huge bandwidth associated with it, especially at short lengths. It makes perfect sense from a capital investment standpoint to continue to move fiber out as fiber is needed and continue to use that capital asset of coax that's in the plant to deliver the bandwidth that's needed by the consumer base probably well into the future. It makes a lot of sense, especially node plus 1, node plus 0, and node plus 0 actually is what you need in order to do full duplex DOCSIS. And at full duplex DOCSIS, you're talking 1 gig bidirectional. You know, I'm sure right now all the greenfields go in fiber to the home, because if you're going to build a high bandwidth network to the home, fiber makes sense, right? It's all about the construction cost, so you might as well put fiber in. But to use that legacy coax plant to its potential, to me makes more sense than anything. And in addition, something that the cable industry has that some of the other passive optical network providers don't have is because they have this HFC plant, they're leveraged with the 3 important things for convergence in the network. And those 3 things are site acquisition, backhaul, which is essentially bandwidth, and power. The HFC plant provides power everywhere because of the coax plant. These passive all optical networks, the other network providers are struggling with how to provide, let's say, fiber to small cells. They've got to depend on having a power company or a power solution close to that small cell, which might move the small cell to a location that's not preferred from random access network planning or radio access network planning. Or they've got to spend a lot of money to get power to that pole. The HFC network, you don't need it. The power, there's excess power in every inch of the HFC network, so they're well positioned.